So I've literally tried almost every single AI thumbnail generator out there, even the one MrBeast just launched, and let me tell you straight up, it costs $80 and it honestly sucks. Like, big letdown. So I started looking for a better solution, and I ended up finding Pikzels. This is hands down the best AI thumbnail generator I've used in 2025. You can sign up for free, links down in the description, and yeah, you even get some free credits to try it out. Now when you log in, you'll see your credits up at the top. You'll get more depending on your plan. I've been grinding thumbnails for my channel, so I've only got like 80 left, but that should be more than enough to show you how this works. Pikzels gives you 4 crazy good tools to work with: thumbnail, recreate, face swap, and title. Let's break each one down real quick. First, the thumbnail tab. This one lets you type in exactly what you want to create. Like, let's say you want a crazy before and after transformation. Just type that in. And here's the cool part. You can even place yourself in the thumbnail by using a persona. So right here you've got this persona feature. This is basically you or whoever you want in the thumbnail. You can either use a default character or even create your own persona. To do that, just click Create, upload like 10 to 20 photos of yourself from different angles, and Pikzels will generate a version of you that it can use in your thumbnails. Next up, this one's actually my favorite, the Recreate tab. So let's say you saw a banger thumbnail on someone else's YouTube video and want to make something similar for your own content. This is what you use. Just copy the link from YouTube, paste it here, and boom. Pikzels pulls in that thumbnail and lets you recreate it, edit it, and even swap in your persona if you want. This honestly blew my mind when I tried it. Like, it's crazy how accurate and clean the results are. Third tool, face swap. Upload any thumbnail and literally swap in your face or persona into it. It's perfect if you've already got a solid design but just want to personalize it. Drag, drop, done. And finally, we've got title. If you're stuck thinking of catchy YouTube titles, just give Pikzels a little prompt and it'll come up with smart, SEO-friendly titles for your video. So yeah, after trying MrBeast's $87 tool and like 10 other AI thumbnail apps, Pikzels is the one I'm sticking with. It's powerful, fast, clean, and super affordable. If you're making content in 2025 and you aren't using Pikzels, you're seriously missing out. Try it for free using the link in the description, and let me know in the comments what kind of thumbnails you create with it. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.